No yeast? No problem. Beer to the rescue. This recipe only takes 6 ingredients and it's super easy. Just follow along. So to put together our dough, we're going to have 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Give those a little bit of a mix. And then you can do the important task of cracking your beer or bottle of beer. Quality testing is encouraged. And add that beer to your mixture. And then follow that with a 1/4 cup of honey. Now you want this honey to be somewhat liquid so you can mix it in. Just as a tip, if you happen to have a kitchen scale, that amount of honey would be 85 grams, so you might want to measure it out and then heat it up a little to get that consistency. Now we're just mixing it all together until the dry ingredients are incorporated. Then take a 1/4 cup of butter and pour half of it into your bread pan. You can swirl that around or use your brush to spread it up around the edges. Then plop in the batter that we mixed up. And spread it around in a relatively even fashion. And finally, spread the rest of your butter on top. Excellent buttery goodness. Now we're off to the oven. Then bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes, or until your poking instrument comes out clean in the center. And there you have it. So once your pokey stick comes out clean, you can let it cool on your baking rack for 10 minutes. Fun fact, I discovered beer bread while reading number 44 of the In Death series, where the character Peabody is talking about making beer bread for the weekend. Reading novels can be life-changing. And eating honey beer bread can be delicious.